Welcome to this lecture on insulation and conductivity, presented by Dr. Sama Tawfiq. Lecture objectives. In this lecture, we will explore the importance of thermal insulation in refrigeration applications and become familiar with the selection of insulation materials. This lecture will contain the following main topics. 1. Importance of thermal insulation in refrigeration applications. 2. Familiarity with insulation material selection. Thermal insulation. Thermal insulation is defined as material that prevents or reduces various modes of heat transfer, be it conduction, convection, or radiation, whether the external temperature is high or low. Thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity is a property of materials that indicates their ability to conduct heat, measured in watts per meter per Kelvin. Advantages of thermal insulation. The advantages of thermal insulation in refrigeration applications include reducing the amount of heat transmitted, decreasing the energy required for cooling, stabilizing internal temperatures, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The advantages of thermal insulation can be summarized in the following points. 1. Reduces transmission. 2. Reduces energy for cooling. 3. Stabilizes internal temperature. 4. Lowers greenhouse gas emissions. Classification of thermal insulators according to structure. Thermal insulators can be classified according to their structure. Organic insulators include materials like cotton and wool, while inorganic insulators include glass and rock wool. Metallic insulators are exemplified by aluminum foils and tin reflectors. The types of thermal insulation can be summarized as follows. 1. Organic, as cotton, wool, cork, rubber, cellulose. 2. Inorganic, as glass, asbestos, rock wool, perlite. 3. Metallic, as aluminum foils, tin reflector. Classification of thermal insulators according to shape. Insulators can also be classified by shape, including rolls, sheets, fluids, and grains. This slide illustrates various thermal insulation materials commonly used in construction, refrigeration, and air conditioning systems. These materials include a can of spray foam insulation, often used to seal gaps and cracks around windows and doors. A roll of fiberglass insulation, typically used to fill wall cavities and attics. Of reflective insulation, often used as a radiant barrier to reduce heat transfer. A metal duct, likely part of an air conditioning system, which may be insulated to prevent heat loss or gain. Thermal conductivity of common materials. Here we see the thermal conductivity of common materials, which helps in comparing their insulating properties. Conclusion. To conclude, thermal insulation plays a vital role in refrigeration, impacting energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. Understanding the properties and classifications of insulation materials is essential for effective application. With my best regards, Dr. Sama Tawfiq.